In the quiet of her grandmother's attic, Laila discovered a chest, one that held a secret lost in time. No matter how much she tried, the clock remained frozen, locked at 3:33. But then, something changed. Layla's grandmother recognized the clock, and with that recognition came a warning. And then, it happened. The golden clock came to life, and Layla's world would never be the same. She was no longer in her room. Around her, a city of impossible wonders stretched into infinity. And then she met him, Tick, the boy who knew the city's secrets. Time, Tick explained, was broken, and Laila was the only one who could fix it. The first challenge awaited, an ever-changing maze where time itself dictated the path. This was no ordinary maze. It was a puzzle, written in time itself. The second puzzle awaited, an endless tower of moving gears, where one wrong step could mean falling into eternity. With each jump, the tower shifted. She had to time it just right, or be lost forever. With one final pull, the tower of gears was restored. The second puzzle, complete. The third puzzle lay ahead, crossing a river where time flowed the wrong way. This was no ordinary river. This was a current of time itself. She understood now. If time flowed backward, so must she. One step at a time, she defied the rules of time itself. The fourth puzzle lay within the Library of Shadows, where forgotten stories held the key. Not all stories were real. Only one could unlock the truth. She had found it, the lost story of time. The library was alive, its stories shifting like tides of forgotten time. The guardian of the library had appeared, a being forged from time itself. A test was before her, not of strength, but of wisdom. There it was, the one story that was never meant to be lost. Through the book, she saw everything, how the city once thrived before time stood still. The path was clear. The final challenge awaited. This was it, the heart of the city, the place where time had been sealed away. The keeper of the time loop had returned, determined to stop her once and for all. Time was unraveling, the city caught in a battle between paths. In that moment, Tick made his choice. He would buy her the time she needed. Every second mattered. One last climb. And she was there.
The clock, once frozen, now hummed with quiet power. Its golden light bathed Layla's face, a reminder of what she'd accomplished. The city celebrates. Music swelled through streets, now teeming with life. Layla's doubt. Watching the celebration from the balcony, Layla's fingers tightened around the clock. Tick leaned beside her, his voice gentle. "You've got a family waiting, Layla." The timekeeper's arrival, light shimmered like liquid gold as the towering figure emerged. The timekeeper had come, not to judge, but to thank her. "For those who dance with time," the keeper intoned, offering the compass, "the door never fully closes." Golden light enveloped her as the clock's hands spun wildly.